Welcome to our comprehensive guide on enabling automatic sharing of Facebook posts to your Instagram story. Let's walk you through the steps to activate this feature. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. Next, tap on the Settings icon to enter the Settings menu. Select Account Center from the options presented. Then, tap on Sharing Across Profiles to manage your sharing settings. Choose your Instagram account from the list of profiles. Finally, toggle the switch to turn on the option for your Instagram story. By following these steps, you can effortlessly share your Facebook posts to your Instagram story, enhancing your storytelling across platforms. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to enable automatic sharing of Facebook posts to your Instagram story. Customize your sharing preferences to create engaging and consistent content across both platforms. Start sharing your Facebook posts to your Instagram story today for a more cohesive and impactful social media presence.